Mercedes-Benz W126, produced from 1979 to 1991, remains a symbol of luxury and engineering excellence. As the second generation of the S-Class, it introduced numerous innovations that set new standards in the automotive industry. Designed by Bruno Sacco, the W126 featured improved aerodynamics with a drag coefficient of 0.36 for the sedan and 0.34 for the coupe, contributing to better fuel efficiency and performance. The use of high-strength low-alloy (HSLA) steel and aluminum in its construction reduced weight without compromising structural integrity, enhancing both safety and handling. Under the hood, the W126 offered a range of engines, including 6-cylinder and V8 options, with the 5.0 LM117 V8 being among the most powerful. The introduction of the 500 SEC Coupe in 1981 marked a significant expansion of the S-Class lineup, offering a two-door variant that combined performance with luxury. In 1985, a mid-cycle update introduced larger V8 engines and refined styling elements, ensuring the W126 remained competitive in the evolving luxury car market. Safety was a paramount concern for Mercedes-Benz, and the W126 incorporated several groundbreaking features. It was among the first production cars to offer airbags, with the driver's side airbag introduced in 1981 and the passenger side following in 1988. Additionally, the W126 featured anti-lock braking systems, ABS, traction control, and seatbelt pretensioners, setting new benchmarks for vehicle safety. The inclusion of a self-leveling suspension system, particularly in the 500 SEL, provided enhanced ride comfort and handling. Inside, the W126 cabin was a testament to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to luxury. The sedan offered a spacious interior with high-quality materials, advanced climate control systems, and optional features like heated seats and rear seat adjustments. The introduction of power seat controls with memory functions and an electrically adjustable steering column added to the convenience and comfort of the vehicle. The coupe models, with their 2+2 seating configuration, provided a more intimate yet equally luxurious driving experience. The W126 impact extended beyond its technical specifications. It became a cultural icon, frequently appearing in films, television shows, and music videos as the epitome of success and sophistication. Politicians, business leaders, and celebrities chose the W126 as their vehicle of choice, further cementing its status as a symbol of prestige. Collectors today still seek out well-maintained examples, appreciating the model's timeless design and enduring quality. In terms of production numbers, the W126 was a commercial success, with over 800,000 sedans and 74,000 coupes produced. Its longevity in the market and the continued demand for well-preserved models attest to its lasting appeal. Even decades after production ceased, the W126 continues to be celebrated for its blend of performance, luxury, and safety. The legacy of the W126 paved the way for its successor, the W140, which introduced further advancements in technology and design. However, the W126 remains a benchmark in the history of Mercedes-Benz, representing a period where the brand's dedication to quality and innovation was unparalleled. For automotive enthusiasts and collectors, the W126 is more than just a car, it's a piece of history that continues to captivate and inspire.